CH-53E, marine heavy lift helicopter. Basic flight instruments: airspeed, attitude, heading, altitude, vertical speed, radar altitude. This is a forward-looking infrared screen, rotor tachometers, torque, clock, course indicator, hook load indicator. These are all our engine instruments, caution panels, fuel, and GPS stability, radios, FLIR turret, and yeah, emergency systems.
Anything about the operation of this one?
It's a heavy lift, troop transport, cargo helicopter. A lot of fun to fly.
How many years?
I've been flying for about 4 years now.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Have a good day.